Imagine a world where your car doesn't just drive but takes off into the skies. Welcome to the future of mobility. Introducing the XPENGAEROHT modular flying car, also known as the land aircraft carrier. In today's video, we're diving deep into this revolutionary design, its features, and how it's set to change transportation forever. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more cutting-edge tech updates. Let's start with the design. The XPENGAEROHT stuns with its futuristic aesthetics. Its smooth metallic body, 6 wheels for stability, and a detachable drone-like flight module make it look straight out of a sci-fi movie. The rear compartment opens up to reveal a foldable flying system, giving it the nickname Land Aircraft Carrier. Truly a sight to behold. This beauty isn't just about looks. It's packed with cutting-edge technology, powered by electric motors and equipped with advanced AI navigation. The modular drone can seamlessly detach and take off. With autonomous capabilities and built-in safety systems, it ensures a smooth and secure ride, whether you're on the road or soaring above the traffic. So, how can this technology impact our lives? From urban commutes to emergency rescue missions, the XPENGAEROHT is designed to handle it all. Imagine skipping traffic during rush hour or reaching remote areas during natural disasters. This flying car could redefine transportation and logistics as we know it. The XPENGAEROHT modular flying car truly represents a leap into the future. But what do you think? Are flying cars the solution we've been waiting for? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing tech content. Until next time, keep dreaming.